We were brothers. We were stuck together like glue, 24 hours a day. We look forward to getting into the van, to talking to them on the road to the next gig, talking about our families, our friends, our future, what we were going to do that night. I was the band leader. I was responsible to work out the show for that night. And basically that's it. We were brothers through and through.
Fran and Tony and Brian were lovely guys. Great fun to be with. I can imagine if they were here today, they'd be embarrassed with wreaths and flowers and all that kind of thing. They were just ordinary fellas, but the minute you walked on stage with them, they became these huge, charismatic entertainers. And that was the first time I ever played with them. I noticed that the transformation was amazing. And they were also fabulous musicians. We were a Catholic and Protestant band from north and south. So I didn't even know what religion the guys were until they were long dead. So never mattered to us. We knew nothing about politics, and they weren't exactly religious either. So we brought people from both communities together in the dance halls, and they saw each other as human beings, and they met each other and fell in love sometimes, and